Hi. So today we'll be looking into uh, my final project of this CS50. That is like my self-designed app. So what I've done is have done an movie browser, like a movie search browser, with using uh, React Native, and then I used Redux, and then we used Expo, and then with the stack navigation and tab navigation. As said here, like I have used the stack navigator, tab navigator, network. All I have used the movie DB. Right. So let's look into the app first, like what it does. So I have an app.js where I have used Redux as the store, and then I have the navigation module. So basically, navigation module has movies tab navigator, and then it has two stack navigators. That is the favorite. So basically, so this one I'll show you. Like maybe I'll first show you the app. So app is so basically the app is like you open it. We have a splash screen, and then we can find the movie. This is the browser, and then we have the tabs. That is search tab and the favorites tab. This is a favorites tab. Just it's a tab navigator we used, and then we have I'm going to like search for movies like judge. Maybe I search for a movie like Terminal, and then I can like give enter or I can click this button. You get the list of movies, whatever which comes with Terminal, and we have like an release date and when it is, what it is, and what's the uh, so I click on Terminal. So it gives me an what the movie is about, how much it has been spent, which production was, all those like data. And it gives a short description. And you can even favorite the movie if you want. So I just favorite the movie, and then you can see like I used the uh, stack navigator, so I can just go back anytime, like find a movie and go back. And then I go to terminal velocity and see like what's the movie. Oh, this is nice. I'm just favoriting it. Now I just go to the favorites tab. You can see both my these are favorited. This one we have used Redux here. So Redux to have Redux store to have my favorite list items, favorite films. So from there we are showing this. So now I go here and I go to find a movie, and then I now look for a movie like say like Angels, and there is these many films from Angel. Now I'm looking Angel Eyes, and I like the movie, then I favorite it, and I go to the favorites tab. I see all my still my favorites, right? So that's fine. So this is my basic app which uses all the things. Now I'll explain the code. So basically, you see the app.js as a start point. It has a navigation and navigation module. We have used the tab navigator for the search, and then for favorites tabs, and from there that too will use as stack navigators. That is a favorite and search stack navigator. That is, and in turn those two will look for an uh, components, that is a search.js, where I have used the um, flat list item, and then use the film list where it uses the film navigation. From there, the film list.js, you can see it uses a flat list and it looks for whatever films it gets. These all of I'm using React Redux. So React Redux, we use the favorites film state from the React, where it is like, see, it tries to get the favorite film index, and it reduces it and it adds. If it is not working, and it will like gets the default state. If there is no favorite film, it will return the empty array. Right? So basically, the search. Once you click on the search, we use the search films, which in turn calls the load films. Load films, it gets the API. So API here we have used the movie DB, which I've used in like a demo one. So it uses the MovieDB API. It gets the film from whatever the text, and then it puts in the response. And we fetch the response, and then the response is now set in a state, and that state is passed across. Right? And then when you click on a movie, right, the load films. So this navigation we are passing, and we go to the film list, which in turn has the map store connect. That is the same, that is retext property where it dispatches. So we have the film item separately, like what's the poster path and all those, what's the average voting and how many likes, what's the release date, all those stuff. And then we have our favorites thing, and that one will have whatever we have linked. And that favorite path is from the that film list you can see here. And that favorite film index is used, and then item ID is taken from the favorite film list item, which is mapped from the regex store. That's what this one, right? So if you see here, so we have used the toggle favorite in film detail. So whenever they click on the toggle favorite, that is like on the like you click on this angel of mine, right? You click on this, it calls the toggle favorite. The toggle favorite in turn calls the dispatch action, and it puts it in the regex store, saying like this is the favorite film. Say I click this, now I go back, and you can see here both I have two like favorite film tabs. Earlier it was not there, right? So this app is basically a movie search app where we have used all those right regex what we have learned in this session. That's pretty much it. Thanks. Thanks for watching. There is no movies. We just have like all our favorites. Thanks.